Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to EVS Part 2. Do you remember what we have done in Part 1? We had done few new words. Are you thorough with the new words? Very good. So today I am going to show you few more new words which are very easy. These words you are using in your daily speech and it is very easy. Okay, let's start. First one is mirror. 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 What is mirror? Where we see and where we comb our hair, right? Very good. Next one is mouth. 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 I repeat. MOUTH. Mouth. This is our mouth. Children, you also have to repeat after me, okay? Next. Tongue. 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 This is your tongue. Very good. Next word is FINGERS. Fingers. FIN. Come on, repeat after me. FINGERS. Fingers. Toes. 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 Repeat. TOES. Toes. Next, eyes. 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 Ears. 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 Nose. 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 You all know those new words? You have studied earlier? It's easy, right? Okay. Next word is legs. 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 Repeat after me. LEGS. Legs. What is this? Hands. 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 See, that boy hands are on the side, right? Next, smell. 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 Repeat after me. SMELL. Smell. We smell with our nose, right? See, the baby there is smelling a flower. Skin. What is this? Skin. 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 Next word is knees. 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 Next is, you know what is knees, children? See, these are your knees. Okay? Next word. Others. 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 B-O-D-Y, body. Repeat after me. B-O-D-Y, body. Sense organs. Now what is sense organs? Teacher will tell you later. First you have to repeat what I say. S-E-N, S-E, sense, O-R-G-A-N-S, sense organs. S-E-N, S-E-O-R-G-A-N-S, sense organs. Okay, so we have done with our new words and I know it was very easy, right? So what are you going to do? You are going to learn those words and write 3 times in your book. You will say and write like E-A-R-S, ears, H-A-N-D-S, hands. You will say and write those hard words 3 times in your book. Okay? Why do we study new words first? Why do we study those words? Because it is easy for you to write answer. Yes? Okay. So now everyone will stand up and do this simple exercise. You are not going to jump very harder, okay? Whatever teacher will tell you, you are going to do it very slowly and you are going to do it only 3 times. How many times? 3 times. Okay, are you ready, children? Very good. Let's start. Simple exercise we are going to start today. Okay? Hands up. Hands up, everyone. Hands up. Hands up. Very good. Hands up. Keep your hands up. Very good. Now next exercise is hands on side. How you will do? Like this. Keep your hands on side like shown in the picture. Hands on side. Jump. Only 3 times slow. Okay? Very slow. Not high jump. You will do low jump. 3 times. Come on. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 4th exercise is bend down. How you will bend down? I'll show you the picture. See. You have to bend down like this till I count 10. Okay? Ready? Come on, bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That's it. Now look to our next exercise. Touch your toe. How will you touch your toe? Look at the picture. Can you see how they are doing? Yes, you just have to bend and touch your toe. Right hand you will touch to your left toe and your left hand you will touch to your right toe. You know what is toe, right? Come on, touch your toe. I'll count 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Stop. Our next exercise is head up. You will see up and then down, head down. Okay, 3 times we will do. Head up, down, up, down, up, down. Done? You can also do left side, right side, left side, right side. Stop. Our next exercise is very easy. Clap your hands 3 times, okay? 1, 2 and 3. 3 times you will clap your hands. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So, did you enjoy this exercise? Okay, now you are going to tell me how do we clap? Which part of our body do we use while we clap our hands? We use our hands, right? Very good. And how many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. Okay. Children, when we were doing exercise, I told you to jump. Remember? So which part of the body were you using when you were jumping? Were you jumping with your head? Or you were jumping with your hands? No, you were jumping with your legs, right? Okay. Now I am eating a chocolate. It's yum yum chocolate. So I am eating that chocolate with my eyes or ears? No, I am putting it inside my mouth, correct? Okay. So now tell me, how do we eat our food? With our mouth, and we also use our hands, right? Yes. So today I am going to tell you about the parts of the body and its uses. Okay, the new lesson of EVS is lesson number 3, our body. What is our lesson name? It's our body. Lesson number 3. Very good. Shall we begin? Okay, let's start. Now you have to listen to me very, very carefully. Open your ears. 1 and 2. Ready? Okay. Do you know what each part of your body is called? Do you know, children, what each part of your body is called? Yes or no? Yes, teacher. Very good. Are they all same? Eyes, ears, nose, mouth. Is this everything same? It looks same? No, teacher. It is not same. Very good. How do they help you? Do you know how they help you? How our body parts help you? Do you know? Oh wow, you already know. But still I will tell you, okay? Those who don't know, don't worry. Teacher will tell you how the body parts help you. So now, if you look yourself in the mirror, you have a mirror at your home? Look yourself in the mirror. You will see that you have one tongue. How much tongue do you have? One tongue. Right? Come on, go and see in the mirror. You have one tongue. Yes or no? Yes. Very good. Now, how many eyes do you have? You have 2 eyes. How many eyes do you have? You have 2 eyes. Look in the mirror. Do you have 2 eyes? Or you have 4 eyes? 2 eyes. Very good. Now you have to look in the mirror that how many ears do you have? You have 2 ears. Right, children? How many ears do you have? You have 2 ears. 1 and 2. Am I right? Very good. Now, how many mouth do you have? 1 mouth. You have 1 mouth. How many nose do you have? You have 1 nose. How many nose? 1 nose. So, we will repeat again. We have 1 tongue, 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 mouth and 1 nose. Understood, children? Am I right? Okay, shall I go further? Okay, let's see what is next. Now, look at your hands and your feet. You have to look at your hands and feet. You have 2 hands or 4 hands? You have 2 hands, right? Very good. And how many legs do you have? 4 legs? No, then who have 4 legs? Dog, cat, tiger, lion, elephant, horse. Most of the animals have 4 legs. But are we animal? No. We are human being. So how many legs do you have? Two legs. Correct? Very good. Now, how many fingers do you have, children? Come on, count and tell me. How many fingers do you have? Come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. How many fingers do we have? 10 fingers. Very good. You have 10 toes. Come on, count your toes. How many toes do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you have 10 toes, right? Very good. You know everything. Such a good children. Now, how many knees do you have? You have 1 and 2. You have 2 knees, right? Very good. So good children, you all know everything about parts of the body. Okay, let's see what is further. We can do many things with the different parts of our body. Yes or no? We can do many things from different parts of our body. We can write with our hand. Then we can ride a bicycle with our legs. Right? Can we ride with legs and we can ride bicycle with hand? No, we cannot. We can listen to music. Yes, ears are used to listen to the music. We can eat. We can eat with our mouth. We can play. You can play bat ball, cricket, anything, right? With your hands and legs. We can read. We will take the book in our hand and we can read with our eyes. So, different body parts are used for different things. Am I clear? We can see with our eyes, hear with our ears, smell with our nose, eat with our mouth, write with our hands, and you can ride a bicycle with your legs and handle is held by hands, right? So all the body parts are very, very useful. Yes or no? Yes. Now listen properly, okay? We see with our eyes. Come on, repeat after me. We see with our eyes. Come on, repeat. We see with our eyes. We smell with our nose. Repeat, children. We smell with our nose. Smell. How do we smell? Like this, right? We smell with our nose. See? The baby here is smelling the flower. Yes? Next. We hear with our ears. Repeat after me. We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. See, there are musicians who are playing the drums and there is a guitar or there is other musical instruments. So when they are playing the music, how we understand that they are playing the music? By hearing with our ears, right? We taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. Repeat after me. We taste with our tongue. Very good. Mama, the ice cream is yummy. Pav bhaji is yummy. How do we understand? By tongue. We feel with our skin. We feel with our skin. How do we understand? feel? If there is something going like this, if ant is going in your hand, he will bite you, how will you feel? With your skin, right? We feel with our skin. Repeat after me. Very, very good, children. So, eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin help us to feel the world around us. Yes or no? Yes. They are called sense organs. Now you understood what is sense organs? Come on, tell me what is sense organs? Eyes, repeat, eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. They are called sense organs. Okay. Ears, tongue, skin, eyes and nose, they all are sense organs. Don't forget, okay? Now, this nobody's aware much, okay? You ask your mummy and daddy, okay? That did you know we all have special fingerprint which is different from those of others. You know, in a senior KG or junior KG, have you done thumbprint? We take the color and we do thumbprint on a paper or a fingerprint on a paper. Yes? All the children prints were same? Will the thumbprint and fingerprint will be same of all the children? It will be same of mummy and daddy and yours? No. They all will be different. See, there are two photos of fingerprint here. Are they all same? No. Sometimes they look same, but it is not same. They all are different. Okay? Understood? So what activity teacher is giving you today is, you have to make animals using paint on your fingers or thumb, anything you can use, like the one shown. Can you see in the picture how the thumbprint is done? Yes. See, there is one more picture. There is an insect drawn with the help of thumbprint. Can you also do? Yes, you will do and show me? Yes? Very good. So make animals using paint on your fingers or thumb like the one shown. Okay, children? So did you enjoy the session about the parts of the body? Yes or no? Did you enjoy? Yes. So in the next class, can I ask you how the parts of the body are helpful to us? Can I ask you in the next class? How do your eyes help us? How do your nose help you? Mouth, tongue, ears, everything I'll ask. I'll also ask you hard words. We have learned the new words, right? It's not hard words, it's new words. We'll tell new words. So we have also learned new words. I'll ask you those new words also in my next session. Okay, children? I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.